Hey there YouTube, welcome to my channel. Webster Slaughter here. Basically I want to do some videos on automotive detailing, maybe some automotive repair videos, maybe other things, go out and shoot some guns, you know, something that, a channel that's not specific to one thing. But automotive detailing is absolutely my passion, and I've got some tips and tricks I can show you as to what I do when I detail a car. Detailing a car is not as simple as washing it and throwing some wax on it and saying, oh, that looks amazing. No, detailing a car is a lot of work if you want to do it correctly. You got to wash it. If there's any old wax on it, you really want to get the old wax off. And then if you have any types of swirls, scratches, you want to get the scratches and swirls out. You got to polish the vehicle. And then after that, you got to wax it or seal it. There's multiple things you do when you detail a car. And when you detail a car, I promise you it's not something that's going to take you an hour and you're done. I've done jobs that take 18 to 20 hours. So most jobs anywhere between 6 to 10 hours as far as work time, labor time. So what I want to do is over here in the next couple weeks, I just bought a brand new camera. It's what I'm using right now. This is the new Canon HFR 800, I think, high def 1080p 60 frames per second camera. I've got a microphone and a light coming. I don't have those right now. I ordered them off Amazon, but I got this camera yesterday and I really wanted to use it and make a YouTube video. So here it is right now. Once I get the new microphone, the audio quality is going to be a lot better. But this video here is basically to tell you what I got coming up. My next video is going to be all the products I use. I use Griot's garage products on vehicles. I'm not a professional detailer. I don't own a business. I don't go around detailing cars for people. So Griot's is such a great company, made right here in Indiana where I live. Plainfield, Indiana. That's where they bottle and manufacture all their products. They have an in-house chemist that makes all their products, and it's a made in USA company. I mean, why wouldn't people want to use that instead of using some cheap company, cheap product made in China? This is made here in the USA by American workers, and the stuff works amazing. I'm going to have a video showing all of my Griot stuff. There is a ton of stuff that I have. I do use other companies' things, and I'll show that in that video as well, but Griot's is my main company that I use. I've searched YouTube for Griot's garage videos. You know, the company themselves has some videos out there, but there's not very many people that have the products that actually use them on a car and show you actually how well they work. They usually say, okay, here's the bottle, they read the directions on it, and they'll say, let's see what it does. Next thing you know, they fast forward, they're all done with it. They're not showing you how to apply I use complete compound and complete polish. They're not showing you how to use those things. They're not showing you the wax. They're not showing you, they're just showing you, here's the bottle, here's the end result. That doesn't work for me. That way, people can kind of get an idea of how great a company Griot's Garage really is. I mean, it's a great company, great customer service. Products are phenomenal. I've only got a couple gripes about a few things on their stuff, and I will show you what they are. But this channel is going to be automotive detailing. I'm a mechanic, so maybe I'll do some automotive repair videos. That's my full-time job. I'm a mechanic. Maybe we'll go out and shoot guns or something, shoot my AR or something like that. We'll go out shooting. But I don't want a channel specific to one thing, but the main portion of this channel is going to be automotive detailing. Kind of get you involved in what it actually takes to detail a car correctly and not just slap some wax on it and say, here you go, it looks great. I get about a year worth out of my wax. I wax my cars about once a year. Their sealants and liquid poly wax is great. I mean, man-made sealants are good for about a year. I actually layer mine. I'll put a sealant on and then I'll put a carnauba wax on top. I get well over a year, but I usually go just a year and then I'll throw another coat of wax on it. But I want to show you the chemicals I use from them. My dual action polishers from there I use. My waxes, my sealants, polishes, my microfibers, my foam gun that I have. I have multiple things. I want to show you in the next video of what they are, and then from there I will start doing detailing videos, maybe automotive repair videos as well. I don't know. So stay tuned to this channel. Like the channel, subscribe to my channel. We're going to make some really, really cool videos, and we will just go from there. Once again, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.